So recently I built a weather forecast automation that sends message to my email in N8N. I'll guide you through how I built it. First, I created a node that automatically starts itself at a specific time. In this regard, I choose it to send me email at 12 o'clock. After the automation starts from the schedule trigger, HTTP node fetches the API of weather report from the URL that I gave. You can see that I gave a URL. After that, I placed an if condition. If the weather temperature is less than 25 degrees Celsius, then it will go to the edit node that is named cold, else it will go to warm edit node. And the edit node sends data to a Gmail node which sends messages to my email. If you have any confusions about the automation, you can ask me in the comments or DM me. I'll happily answer your question as soon as possible. Now let's run the automation. For the sake of this video, I started the automation by clicking. And you can see the email is being delivered to my email. Currently in my country it is 22 degrees Celsius, so it is showing a cold message. If you want the entire workflow, comment W and give me your email. I'll give you the workflow code.